Chicken lollipops on the Weber grill. Let's get involved, people. What's up, guys? Welcome to Barbecue Jams. Hey, quick tip right here. I'm going to show you guys how to open one of these bags. So you've got, on this side, you've got a single stitch. And then over here, you've got like sort of this looped stitch. You want to grab it from this loop and you want to pull from this side. Your coal is ready to go. All right, let's get involved, people. So tonight, we have got David Lee coming in on the bass. We've got Angel Toro playing some guitar and Richard Johnson playing guitar and myself, Will Bloomberg, playing drums. What are we cooking? We are doing chicken lollipops. Yes, I know. Chicken lollipops. It's gonna be insane. You guys check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank this thing up. I've got my tumbleweed right here. All you gotta do, light up tumbleweed. Light it up again, and set this bad boy on top, and about 14 minutes later we'll be ready to put these coals into the charcoal or into the Weber. So anyway, you guys hang tight. Okay guys, chicken lollipops. How is this made? Well, basically all we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking a chicken leg here. I left one left over so you guys can check this out as I prep it, but essentially it's gonna look like this. And we're gonna wrap this with foil. We're gonna put seasoning on it, and then we're gonna be putting it on the Weber at 350 for an hour. But anyway, so here's what I do. I'll take my chicken leg, I'll kind of smash it down, try to get the skin down a little bit. And I take my chef's knife, and I just put it in about right here. And I just roll the leg around. And then I skin it back. Yeah, everything else is... Anyway, so you basically French it like that, and now you've got a nice little lollipop. Like so. Anyway, we're gonna get ready to season these guys up and pop them on the grill, so you guys hang tight. Okay guys, let's grab these drumsticks. We're gonna be popping them on this drying rack. We're gonna put some of my OG rub. By the way, if you're looking for some of this OG rub, go check out merchcompany.com. It's on their website down below. Guys, this stuff's killer, I'm telling you. Anyway, we're gonna get involved with some of that right now, so let's do it. It's got a beautiful color. Everybody loves this rub that's tried it so far. So please go check it out. Tell me what you guys think. Just like that. I kind of like this in this guy right here because you kind of pop it. Get it all over. Chicken lollipops, guys. This is going to be insane. I'm going to be making a killer little buffalo sauce for this to go on it, and I've also got some blue cheese and ranch for those guys that like to dip it in that as well. So anyway, this hot sauce that we're going to be doing is going to be killer. We're going to be putting that together here in just a second, and we've also got all this stuff's going to be going on the Weber grill tonight. I've got some charcoal going right now behind me. We're going to be putting them on about 350 degrees for about an hour. So we're looking for an internal temp of about 165. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get all these guys all rubbed up, and then we're gonna be popping them on the grill. So you guys hang tight, enjoy these jams. Please like and subscribe if you're digging this channel. Also guys, we're gonna catch you back here in a minute. dump in some charcoal, guys. All right, I'm gonna pop on the chicken here in just a minute. You guys hang tight. All right, here we go. Let's pop these guys on. 350 degrees for about an hour. There we go. All right, just right. All right, we'll be back here in a little bit, guys. You guys hang tight. Okay guys, super simple sauce. This is a nice little buffalo sauce for you guys to try. I'm using one Red Hot original 12-ounce bottle of Frank's barbecue sauce. I'm sorry, Frank's buffalo sauce.
This is bad.
Is this bad?
No, don't stop. Keep going.
Yeah.
You're fine. You're fine.
1 stick of butter, unsalted. And 2 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2. All right. I'm gonna throw this on the burner, mix it up, and be right back.
Go ahead.
All right, guys, time to pull this chicken. We are at temp. Woo, look at these babies.
All right, now we are. Go ahead.
Okay, we're gonna roll it in this beautiful sauce. We'll place him right here. And let's do this guy. Roll this guy up. Place him on top of some blue cheese. Thank you, please. A little bit of chives. Blowing away. Now it's time to dig in with some chicken over here, guys. So tonight we've got Angel Toro over here. What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
He's gonna be jamming out some guitars with us. We also have Richard Johnson over here. He's gonna be hanging out doing some guitar action for us. And David Lee hooking us up with some bass. Yeah, baby. All right, you guys ready to dive into some chicken?
Absolutely. Yeah.
All right, so y'all go for it. We got 2 ranches right there. Go for the lollipops.
All right, let's get it.
Yeah, sauce it up.
Oh man.
And we're all gonna do a chicken cheers here in just a second.
Okay.
Chicken cheers. You gotta do the chicken cheers. Thank you very much, Brett Norton, for that one, by the way.
So
All right, I'm going in with blue cheese on this guy.
we bite on 3.
All right, chicken cheers. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Oh,
Some good stuff.
wow.
That's very good.
Oh, yeah.
I love that bite.
You're a maniac, man.
Oh, man.
That's good.
That's perfect.
Yeah, right on point. The buffalo sauce on this one is rocking it. It's got a little bit of heat. You're probably good that you didn't go in for that.
Yeah.
How is it? What do you think?
I think it's great. I'm not like a spicy guy, but this is like it's
Tolerable.
flavor over spice, you know?
So yeah, the lollipop's just key. It's really easy to eat. You guys need to try this. Please get involved with some of these lollipops. They're amazing.
Yeah.
Guys, this is gonna be so much fun jamming out here tonight and having a good time.
It is.
Thank you guys again for being here also and being a part of the show. This is. I know it's raining and it's it's Jacksonville, Florida, right here in the middle of summer. So actually, we're towards the tail end of summer. So.
I'm just glad that Carrie's here tonight so I can break his arm so I can play more of these.
Hey, all right,
Yeah.
cool.
Just
You hear that,
working out.
Carrie? We got Carrie helping us out in Camera B tonight. What's up, Carrie? Guys, thank y'all so much. Yeah, go ahead and throw it on in and grab as much as y'all like too, seriously. Dynamite. Guys, we're gonna catch you guys back here in a little bit, okay? So thanks so much for hanging in and please subscribe, like, all the good stuff, and I hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're gonna catch you back here in a minute. The show turned out killer. The cook was awesome. Jams, well, you guys know.
Epic.
Killing it. Thank you very much, David Lee. Hey, so we got some newcomers here, so we got to hook them up with some swag. Thank you to Derek Enter, by the way, over there at the merch company. We appreciate you, buddy. So, without further ado,
Thank you, sir.
Angel Toro coming in. Yeah, baby. Woo! We got you a shirt.
Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
Nice. So now he's been barbecue jammed along with Richard. Thank you so much for being here, man. We certainly appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much for hanging and jamming and being a part of the show. We appreciate you guys tuning in every week and checking out our jams, man. We're having a good time. Please like and subscribe, and you guys get involved with some of these lollipops because they are ridiculous. Later. Woo! Barbecue tip, barbecue tip, barbecue tip.